Welcome to know about ClickFunnels Bridge Page. ClickFunnels Bridge Page rates. You always can start with 14-day free trial, but after that trial there are 3 pricing plans inside ClickFunnels Bridge Page. The pricing of $97 per month, the $297 per month plan, and the $997 bulk discount rate plan suggested. Now, I am going to cover each one of these plans in detail. ClickFunnels Requirement Plan $97 per month. The basic plan of ClickFunnels comes with the basic features of the software. However, in this plan you can only create 20 funnels and you can only have 100 pages in your account. This plan is also limited in how many people can visit your site, 20K per month. You also can't use advanced features like ClickFunnels email marketing software or affiliate monitoring software. ClickFunnels Etison Suite $297 per month. This strategy includes all the features as well as whistles of the standard strategy, without any limitations. This plan provides you 2 special features from ClickFunnels: Actionetics, email advertising and marketing; Backpack, affiliate management system. In Actionetics you can get in touch with your email list, send email broadcasts. You also can produce bunch of different email automation inside of ClickFunnels Bridge Page. In Backpack, with the speed of a click, you can add an affiliate program to any of your funnels. Backpack will absolutely track your clicks and sales, as well as how much to pay your associate partners. There is one question that I always get asked, it's which ClickFunnels plan should I get? The difference between the 2 plans is basically the limitations, and also Actionetics Backpack. If you are a basic customer and you think that you aren't going to create more than 20 funnels in your account, the basic plan is the best for you. Nevertheless, if you plan to have an affiliate program or you want to do email marketing inside of ClickFunnels, click the link below in this video for more updates. Etison Suite is the best choice for you. You can always start with the basic plan and then upgrade in the future. Funnel Hacks System $997 if you have been looking for any discount. I have to tell you that ClickFunnels offers an amazing discount in his software. The $997 Funnel Hacks System comes with an amazing marketing training. As a bonus you get 6-month access to the ClickFunnels Etison Suite for free. This is an amazing deal, because inside of ClickFunnels Bridge Page 6 months of Etison Suite can cost you easily $1,782. You are not only saving $785. However, you're getting a ton of value from Russell Brunson regarding on how to use ClickFunnels to make you a fortune. Visit this site to try the Funnel Hacks system, take the chance of complimentary. Thanks for watching this video.